Welcome back on the channel, Bratans. Prepare for bumpy right now. Why? I explain you in a second. I show you also my trades. We see we are still under the 20 moving average and we are forming here a bear flag, right? Technical price target of this bear flag, you always measure from the top to the downside, is here around the monthly moving average, monthly 20 moving average, the support line. So technically we should see breakdown to 28,200 further down, and it perfectly also matches here with our funding rates, because the funding rates are very positive, 0.01, 0.007. You see, it speaks for another breakdown to the downside, because if they're negative, it speaks for bounce to the upside. If they're positive, it speaks for bounce to the downside. So we could see some more bounce to the downside. Very important, as I said always to you, watch the total crypto market cap. We see we are retested yesterday or several days before the yellow support line. In case we are breaking it down, we are breaking down to $1 trillion market cap, which means Bitcoin to 25k. In case we are breaking to the upside, it means $1.5 trillion market cap. It means Bitcoin 35k. Very important also to watch altcoins at the moment outperforming Bitcoin, as you see it here. This is the ETH versus Bitcoin chart. It means ETH outperform Bitcoin. ETH is altcoin. ETH is representative for all the other altcoins. We have another chart also which we can watch, is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance chart is right now in consolidation and in dump. It means also we're getting here rejected. It means as soon as we're getting rejected, altcoins outperform Bitcoin. And technically the price target is still here 48%. If we are reaching 48%, we will see altcoins clearly outperform Bitcoin. This is what we are expecting right now. So in the big picture, what I'm expecting here right now, in the big picture, I'm expecting here that yes, we could see here another drop down of 3.5% to 28,300. So for all day traders, this could be another short opportunity. But I expecting still, even if we are breaking down to 28,200, or even maybe if we are breaking down in the worst case to 25,700 or 25,500 to the monthly 100 moving average, I still expecting a bounce to the upside to around what's that? To around the level of 35k. So this is still my price target. I still think the relief rally is not over. This is still, we are still in the relief rally, not in the bull run. Very important. Watch always the big picture. I open again the big picture for you, Bratans, in case you forgot the big picture. Where's the big picture, Black? Here's the big picture. So, Bratans, for everyone who is a little bit disabled here, I explain you again. We are still in this rising channel. We are about to retest here this level of 28,200, right? But we have here massive resistance field. This resistance field is representative based on the past. It's a massive resistance field which we found also in the bear market 2018, in the bear market 2015. And we are about to retest this red field. So in case we are breaking into this red field, I expect that we could see Bitcoin even go to 39k. In my opinion, it's still 35k, but we could see even reaching 39k. This would be the top of the rising channel here. If we are reaching on top of this red field, it's 36,000, right? This red field is representative here from the bull run. It's the bottom of the bull run 2021, but we saw this also based on the past, right? So I show you here my quickly my trades. Aave is $1,300 in loss, 7.6%. It's a swing trade, so I will stay in this long position. LDO, it's $219 in the loss, 21% in loss. I will stay also in my LDO trade, because these are, wait a minute, these are swing trades. If you are in a day trade, you can short, obviously. You have to decide, do you want to swing or to day trade? Sometimes I do day trade, sometimes swing trade, sometimes to do both. Right now, I don't have time for day trade, so I do just holding the swing trades for several weeks, because still expecting a bounce to the upside. So right now, it's still a nice opportunity for a swing long position, in my opinion. Why is this week very important for us? I wrote already in our Telegram group. So save the date. Today, today, 26 July, the US Federal Reserve, so the Fed, is expected to announce its latest monetary policy decision. Market predicts another 25 basis points hike to interest rates as central banks approach the peak of its tightening cycle. So today we are expecting that the Fed will increase the interest rates by 25 basis points. In case they increase it, I don't expect much movement in the market. In case they will not increase it, I expect a pump in the market. In case they will increase it by 0.5 basis points or by 50 basis points, 0.5%, I expect a massive dump in the market. So watch out for it. Let's go through the next. So write it down right now, like in the school. Thursday, the European Central Bank said to meet with expectation for 25 basis points rate hike and guidelines for the final stage of their efforts to combat inflation. So you see, the European Bank is like the Fed girlfriend, the Fed ugly girlfriend from the Fed. They expected also to increase the interest rates by 25 basis points. So watch out for this. Also, this is very important because in case they're increasing more, we will see dump in the market, in the European market, but this will influence also the US market. If they're not increasing against expectation, then we'll see pump in the market. So watch out for this on Thursday. Also this week we will see earnings reports from Microsoft, Alphabet, so Google, Spotify and General Motors. Very important. Will they be positive? There's a likelihood of a pump in the market. Will they be negative? There's a high probability for further dump. So watch out for the earnings reports of Google, General Motors, Facebook and so on and so on. Very, very important to watch because this will influence this week the market, right? Very, very important, Bratans. Never forget the big perspective. On the big perspective, if we are zooming out, never forget right now is the time to dollar cost average in the market. Doesn't matter if we go up or down. Yes, we can go as low as 18,000 back to retest here this red support line. But the big picture, in April, we will see in April another Bitcoin halving. From this moment on, we will see a pump to 140,000, 150,000 Bitcoin per Bitcoin. $140,000, $150,000. So right now, this is the time to buy. So there are only around 8 months left to dollar cost average into the market. Whether we are going down or up, it doesn't matter because here, this green field, this represents the point after the halving. And this is the moment where we only sitting down, watching our portfolio exploding and waiting to go out of the market here approximately end of 2025 or mid of 2025 when the bull run is over, because every previous bull run lasts for 1 year approximately. See, May 2020, and it ended in November 2021, so approximately 1 year. The same way at here. Halving was 2016, the bull run ended 2017. So around one and till 1.5 years, we are expecting to have a bull run, and this is the time where we're just chilling and watching our portfolio exploding, going out, dollar cost average. Like here we're going dollar cost average into the market. Here we are going dollar cost average out of the market. So we are constantly selling to the upside our portfolio, and then here at this peak we are buying our Lambos, right? So very, very clear, Bratans. Therefore, be prepared for this. Don't forget, right now, in my opinion, it's a good opportunity for a long swing trade for LDO and Aave and also for Ethereum. But do your own research, not a financial advice. I stay in my long position. You have to decide yourself. Also, it's a good short opportunity for day traders. But also here you have to decide for yourself, Bratans. I just provide you my opinion. You have to decide yourself. You can claim $1,000 free bonus on Bybit. Link is down below. You can use this $1,000 for long on LDO, Aave, or short for day trade, how you want, or Bitcoin. This you can decide yourself. Top comment, pinned comment. You can just use the link, Bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.